Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME C67 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. At first, open the settings. From settings list, select System and here click on Date and Time. First of all, you have to switch off automatic date and time and then customize it however you like. And that's it. You can also switch the time zone off and select it manually by yourself. And this is how you can smoothly and easily change both date and time and also time zone. Once you want to go back to automatic setup, just use the stop switchers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.